Hi there. Welcome to PMN Online. In this video, we are going to cover how to start and join a Zoom call from Slack. Before we dive into the details, let's talk about why this integration could be a game changer for your team communication. In the fast-paced world of digital communication, staying connected with your team is crucial. And while Slack is fantastic for messaging, there are times when a quick face-to-face conversation via a video call is necessary. Integrating Zoom with Slack allows you to smoothly transition from text to video, making it easier to address issues, brainstorm ideas, or just have a quick chat without the hassle of switching between multiple apps. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to initiate and join Zoom calls directly from Slack, simplifying your workflow and enhancing team collaboration. Let's get started by opening Slack on your device. Whether you're using the desktop app or the browser version on the web, the process will be the same across both platforms. Once you've launched Slack, you'll be greeted by a login screen. Here you can enter your email and password to access your account. Alternatively, if you find it more convenient, you can choose to log in using your Apple or Google account details. This flexibility in logging in ensures you can access your workspace with ease, particularly if you are already using Apple or Google services for other applications. Once you've successfully logged in, the next step is to select the workspace where you want to integrate Zoom. For many users, Slack is used across multiple workspaces, so it's important to choose the correct one. Remember, the Zoom integration will be specific to the workspace you select, so it's crucial to pick the one where you'll need to make Zoom calls. Now let's proceed to the integration of Zoom with your chosen Slack workspace. Navigate to the Slack Marketplace. This is a hub filled with a variety of apps that can enhance your Slack experience. In the search bar of the Marketplace, type in Zoom. Given Zoom's popularity, it should pop up near the top of your search results. Once you find Zoom, click on the option to open it in Slack. Follow the series of prompts provided by Slack. These prompts are designed to assist you in integrating Zoom correctly. You might encounter requests for permissions or need to configure certain settings. Make sure to follow these prompts carefully. Once you've completed these steps successfully, you'll notice the Zoom icon appearing under the Apps section of Slack. This is your confirmation that the integration is complete and Zoom is ready to be used. To start a Zoom call from any channel in Slack, simply type the word Zoom into the message box and hit enter. This command will automatically generate a Zoom meeting link directly within the channel, making it instantly accessible to all participants in the channel. Before you use this feature for the first time, you might need to authorize the call. This authorization is a one-time setup process that ensures your Zoom account is correctly linked with your Slack profile. After this, you'll be all set to start or join Zoom calls with ease. And there you have it. You now know how to start and join a Zoom call from Slack effortlessly. By integrating Zoom with Slack, you save time and streamline your workflow, as everything you need for team communication is now conveniently housed in one digital space. Happy Zooming! Hopefully this tutorial helped you understand how to start and join a Zoom call from Slack quickly and easily. For more helpful guides like how to start and join a Zoom call from Slack, be sure to subscribe to PMN Online.